All right, how you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Video 2 of the disc brake parking brake coming off the drive line on a diesel pusher. I'm going to turn it around for you. Let's see. All right, so there it comes from the transmission there. You see it hanging down right there. That's the drivetrain. I'm going to go ahead and lube that up, but there's your disc brake. You have two 24mm bolts right there. Let me see if I can get you better light here. Yeah, two 24mm bolts. Now that system's up in there, all right, so it's a little bit of fun to get down. You have to go up against here. There's not much room in here to move. So I was up in here a good half hour. I used a combination of my electric impact and a swivel with an 8-inch extension, 24mm. And then I used a oldie but goodie Craftsman regular 1/2-inch drive, and I got the driver's side bolt out. Okay, and so here's the system right here. Let me try to keep it going for you. All right, so we got it out, and I'm going to tear it apart and show you what's wrong. All right. Short video. This is one to attach itself to the actuator. You would hit the yellow knob up front, parking brake. You pull and you push, and, well, it didn't hold. So this is one of the problems. We're either going to get a new caliber or we'll try to fix this one. It's straight up mechanical. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Laying down on the job. It's a little dark here, but this is the end of the video.